Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is how to properly replace a rear light from a 1984 Pontiac Fiero. Okay. Well, as you can see, I've already took the caps off on the side I'm replacing and loosened the bolts. Okay, now all you need to do really to take these off is just take your screwdriver. You could use a flat or a star, it doesn't matter. You just pop it off, right? And then take the star screwdriver and, obviously turn left to take it out. Anyway, so yeah, what you do is you just slip your hand under the light. Here. And then it gets wiggly, right? See, it's starting to come out. Oh, now she's coming. You just keep pulling until you got it, right? And then once you got it, the wires will still be holding it in. What you do to get the wires out is you just squeeze your hand down on them, turn towards your right for every single light, and it will come off. But make sure you already have your spare, right? And just fucking take it. Alright, now she's almost done. There's 3 lights over here. 1, 2, and 3. And then you got your light over here as well. This one's a little trickier because the release switch is down here. Right there. So all you need to do to take these out is just squeeze them and turn them. But this one's fucking tricky. Oh, fuck. There we go. So now I got it out. I will post another video of how to put them back in.